Hey y'all,
Hi.
Gibson's Adventures.
Gibson's Adventures.
We're back again. We're heading on a hike down to the local reservoir here to try to see if we can't get some catfish. The ice is thawed now and we got rain all last night, so should be up in here. I mean, you never know. We're like Dave, you never know till you throw. And we're gonna hike down. It's gonna be through the woods. We got two big valleys to go through, so we got quite a bit of hike here, but it's nice, about 62 degrees out. And we invite y'all to come along with us, and we're going to try to see if we can't catch a big one today.
Okay. Whoa,
You gotta keep going.
Wow. Okay. I won't see to my
We
knees
made it
now.
down one valley. Look at this. We're going to go all the way around this other side of the bank, and hopefully the water's down low enough that we can just follow the bank on around to the back cove. We don't have to go up that hill and back down, but we're going to go find out.
I'm walking in it. Okay. I like going in the water, Daddy. Look, Daddy. I always stay like this.
Water this low.
Look at all the leaves, Daddy. Look, somebody's bait or someone had a part of a picnic back there. Whoa, Daddy. Look at the fog. How is it foggy?
All the ice has flowed back into the hood. Go around. We almost went to our knees.
You're going down the steep. Look, Daddy. It's going to swing. Look, Daddy. The rock, the muscle.
All right.
See? That's a muscle, Daddy.
Well, if you look out here, the lake's thawed out there, but all the ice that thawed was pushed all the way back in the cove. So now we've got where we was wanting to go, but we still can't cast out. This is all ice here, and it's frozen over there.
Fog coming from.
The fog, yeah. Isaac sees the fog is coming on. It's so warm outside that the ice is fogging up the air. We're going to try to walk all the way back up the top of the hill, all the way down, and go out on the point where it's thawed out, and that's about 26 foot out. Maybe that'd be even the better fishing out there, but we got another 100, 200 yards to go. We're going to head that way, y'all.
We're trying to make it, y'all. We finally made it.
Things I put this family through. We're out of breath. You making it? Things we're going through to try to get a fish on the board this year. It's thick. We're making it, right?
That's a hard time making it through, y'all. But I finally made it through all them brims. Trying to get down this hill.
Come on. Go to that tree, run to that one and catch yourself. Go.
I'm scared.
Go. It's not that bad. there, the slicker.
Okay.
Go. Go to that one, that big tree. Daddy gets you to fall, you're going to both of us is going down. Come here. Here. Come on. Walk, Timmy. You got it. Come on. You ain't going down the hill. Come on. Gotcha. Come on, honey. Walk. That's it. Come on.
See?
You're not going down the hill. Here. Come on. Go to the tree. See? Not that bad. Hang on to the tree and slide. See?
Wee.
I got you. Oh, there goes the next one. This is the scary one. Come on. Come on. Grab hold of that right there. Hey, got it.
It's like a slide.
Things we go through for y'all video. Come on.
This tree's
Come
going
on.
to break in half. Wait.
This tree, come on, you gotta go, baby. You gotta go, you gotta go. Slide down.
Okay.
Hurry, grab that big tree.
Okay.
Grab that tree and step on it.
That's
Go. Go fast, baby.
okay. A drop of water.
Go. Oh, got all in the water. Get it for me.
Well, we made it down the hill.
All the way over here, y'all. Look right here. You can see where the ice has all been drifted in here. So there's got to be something in here. So, about sweating, about peeled our clothes off, but we made it. We're gonna get our poles out. See if we can't hook into something. Okay, pole number 1's gonna get 5 night crawlers on it. There's, well, maybe 4. Got 2.
Look at all of the dirt on the bottom of the lake.
Me and Isaac caught bait. You guys gotta get out there when it's warm, and even in January, and catch bait, and you gotta stay up top of this stuff. Look at that. Fish sees that, he'll eat it. We're just praying that the fish are in this area today. We're gonna see what happens. Baby, now he's gonna cast right over your head. Here we go. They shouldn't be too far out. And we got an all natural pole holder. There you go. You don't need all that fancy stuff. You say, well, what if you get your pole jerked in?
Well,
Just say,
they
well,
have all kinds of poles.
Say, well, should just been quicker, I guess, huh? Number 2. Still got my carp rigs on here, but they work for cats too. The other pole, we're going to throw some more creek chubs on that. We're going to launch this one. We about launched her, didn't we?
About launched it on the ice.
Alright, number 3, y'all. My favorite reel, Abby Garcia 6500C. We won't let it go in the water because it's got a bait clicker on it. Here we go.
size, guys. So, here we go. Listen at that sound. That was cool, wasn't it?
Hey y'all, still waiting on a bite. It sure is cold, but look, got your little Walmart heater. I love this thing.
Walmart brand heater.
Yeah, it's Ozark Trail's little mini heater cooker, and this is your Stanley cup. You say, well, what are you doing? We're gonna make coffee right by the edge of the river, lake, wherever you want. This is its own coffee pot right here. I love that. I got that at Camping World. But it takes about 3 minutes to boil this water, and we're gonna show you here when this water gets boiling. We're gonna show you, pour this in here and have a real nice cup of coffee. It's enjoyable. So we'll have a cup here soon. Water's a boiling, y'all. I'm gonna show you how we do this.
Show me. And says Isaac's cutting limbs off over here. Say that.
Pour that in there. It doesn't fall over on this hill. That's percolating a cup of coffee right there. Right in there. It's like a mini K-cup, but you use ground coffee in it. And it works really, really good. And it's quick. You can keep your water boiling. You can add to it.
Whoa. Did you put coffee in that? It's like it's turning water into coffee.
You can see this dripping.
Wow.
Just like your normal coffee pot at home. It all packs up, goes right in your backpack. And you always use Folgers in your cup. Always Folgers. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right. You only got about, I don't know, 30 seconds maybe, and it'll be ready to go. Finishing up. You can just set this back on here. That'll finish dripping. That's a nice cup of coffee, y'all. Nice and good and black.
Daddy.
And it's hot. That's how we do her. No bites yet. Come on over here, y'all. Check this out. Don't spill your coffee.
Here, you can hook.
Damn.
This is hook 4. That's a great knife.
Thanks to my wife, that's what she
That's
found.
it right here.
Clean this up.
Here.
Hooks are still sharp. That's probably a $6, $7 lure.
Look at that, guys.
Check that out, y'all.
Check
While
that
you-
out, y'all.
While you're waiting on a bite, you go find a lure. Seek and find.
Daddy.
A buzzer. Sharp.
I don't want to find all that stuff.
You'll have to come up here with Daddy if you want to find some stuff.
Look, Daddy. Daddy.
And right next to it, we got an old hula popper.
Too late. Like, where's the
There's
cool
beautiful wife. She's exploring for me. She's finding more lures.
Look, Daddy. Deep underground rock.
Isaac's digging, mining for gold, I think.
Yeah. I'm mining for gold.
we're struggling, fellers, with these fish. I mean, you see it's frozen ice right here. But we've come down here before this time of year and we've caught them, so. But we're surely struggling, but we're glad y'all want to come watch and be with us, but we ain't getting no bites yet, so we're sure trying. We got 3 poles out, 5 different baits, so. We're not sure if anybody else has walked down here. We found 3 lures and then 2 spinners. And she's got eyes like a hawk, so I just send her down there. She always finds everything. She just found another Rapala lure. We have somebody else join us, so we're not the only ones out here. They're over on the other side. I don't know if they're just fishing or sitting. So, well, we sure appreciate y'all watching and subscribing. We're going to give this a little bit longer, and well, we're really praying we can get something to hit here. But they all congregated out in the middle, or I mean, we're up in this creek. That's where everything normally is this time of year. So
I ain't finding any more.
I mean, she ain't finding no more.
Ran out of luck.
All right, y'all. We'll let you know. We get a run here.
I was digging, and this is what I found.
Good job.
That's why I never stopped digging, guys.
He found that in the mud.
So, what is it? Okay. So, I'm getting hungry right now, so I'm going to eat a little snack right here. Always wipe your hands because that keeps the germs away. So,
all right, y'all. Man, we're struggling on these fish. We've been waiting quite a while. We can't get nothing to go. We're gonna have a snack and pack up, but I promise y'all, here by March or so, we ain't got much longer. We're gonna be getting into some nice catfish, crappie and stuff. So, weather permitting, we're gonna be out here. It's all worth a try. If we get something though, before we get everything packed up, we'll sure let y'all know. But until then, we love y'all. Subscribe.
Yep.
Share these videos.
Yeah,
Let's keep this
share
thing
the
going.
videos. Get our videos out there.
That's right. Get them out there.
And like,
And we're gonna
subscribe, and hit the bell.
keep doing what we do. We're gonna bring
Yep.
y'all with us. We love you. Bye.
Bye.